Learning English through recipes. Cooking is a fun and interactive way to practice your English skills. Let's make fluffy pancakes. Let's get started with this simple and delicious pancake recipe. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even as a snack. First, the ingredients. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, a ¼ teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons melted butter. Let's move on to the steps. Step 1. In a large bowl, mix the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Step 2. In another bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, and melted butter. Step 3. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Step 4. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Step 5. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip the pancake and cook until golden brown on the other side. Step 6. Serve your pancakes with syrup, fruit, or any of your favourite toppings. Step 7. Enjoy. Part 2. Pancake trivia. Did you know? Ancient origins. Pancakes are one of the oldest forms of bread, dating back over 5,000 years. The ancient Greeks and Romans enjoyed pancakes made with wheat flour, olive oil, honey, and curdled milk. Pancake Day. In many countries, Shrove Tuesday is celebrated as Pancake Day. It's a tradition to use up rich ingredients before Lent begins. In the UK, people even hold pancake races, where they flip pancakes in a pan while running. Pancakes around the world. Pancakes come in many forms. In France, they're called crepes, thin and delicate, often filled with sweet or savoury ingredients. In Japan, there's okonomiyaki, a savoury pancake filled with cabbage, meat, and seafood. Record-breaking pancakes. The world's largest pancake was made in the UK in 1994. It measured over 15 metres, 49 feet, in diameter and weighed around 3 tons. Pancake mix invention. The first ready-made pancake mix, Aunt Jemima, was invented in 1889 in the United States, making pancake preparation quick and easy. Time to check your pancake knowledge. Are you ready? Pause the video if you need more time to answer. Let's go.